I'm your freaky dancer, dancing for money. Do what you want me to do. Oh, oh, oh. We are cleaning out of their feed buckets and water pail before we feed them this morning. And they are not happy because they're ready to eat. Right? Say right. Okay. And this is us trying to get it done. We got this one. That bird's this one out. Isn't that right, Lonnie? There was a spider in that one. I saved his life. So, yep. So, that's what I'm doing on it today. In the rain. I don't know what Seven's doing. He just watching, I guess. And she waving at the horses, calling to the fence. Come on. Ooh, bucket. Come on. There go my big girl right there. Let me see. Yeah. Pour it in this one. Yay. Yay, big girl. Yay. Come on. Come on. On to Mrs. Greedy, fat ass. She is fat, she is greedy. Clean pails, clean water. Clean water, one of those. Fat ass. Alright, now you can eat. Girls, look.